No talk. Now we finna talk about Wonder Woman and what it would be like to be a goon that gotta go up against her. Let's talk about it. Now, brother, if you think she is going to be an easy fight, you is horribly mistaken. She, at times, is just as strong, if not stronger than Superman, bro. She, at one point, became the strongest character in the whole DC universe, bro. So I don't even know where anyone would even think that you'd be able to take on this woman. You are not. Brother, she got hands for days, even more than other characters sometimes. She got hats as weapons like the lasso of truth that can force you to tell the truth, and it's super durable. I rarely ever seen anyone break it. And she got like powerful swords, and she can scale up to Hades, the god of war, if not surpass him sometimes. Like, brother, you know, as a grunt, she probably just gonna knock you out. She ain't the type to really use her full strength to harm you. Like, she's a very respectable woman.